Hello, brave adventurers. Today, we're going on the most dangerous and exciting journey above the Earth. We're heading to the Mountain of Mystery, where the secret of volcanoes sleeps. Do you know what's hiding beneath the mountains? Imagine giant oceans of melted rock, called magma. The magma is super hot, hotter than any fire you've ever seen. Suddenly, the magma blasts into the sky with incredible power. It explodes like giant fireworks. Black smoke fills the sky, and red lava flows like rivers of fire. But guess what? These explosions create something amazing. They build new mountains, and even form islands in the oceans. Volcanoes aren't just dangerous. They are heroes building our world. Adventurers, let's continue uncovering the secrets of our wonderful planet.